Hey guys, welcome back to Nko Media. You are cooking with Nkiru O. Today we are making spicy, delicious egg rolls. If today is your first day, thank you for coming. For all returning subscribers and viewers, I appreciate you all. You are loved. For this recipe, I boiled 13 eggs. After boiling, put them in cold water for easy peeling. I want you to notice how I am tapping different parts of the egg on a hard surface. That helps with peeling too. Peel the eggs and keep them aside. Then measure 4 cups of flour and sift it. You don't want any lumps. Add 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix everything together. Then add 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 2 raw eggs, 1 level cup butter, and half cup of milk. Please note that all the ingredients are kept at room temperature prior to mixing. Makes them come out better. And you can use your bowl to do the mixing, please. Pay attention to the consistency of the dough. It is semi-hard. That is how you want it to be. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover it, and let it rest for 5 minutes. You want all the ingredients to meld together. After 5 minutes, sprinkle some flour on your tray so that your egg rolls will not stick to the bottom of the tray. Then, knead the dough for 30 seconds to a minute to get rid of any trapped air. Rub some flour on your palms so that the dough will not stick to your hands as you're molding the egg rolls. Take a piece of dough, flatten it with your hands. Put an egg in the middle and wrap it up with the dough. Take off the extra dough and then roll the egg roll between your palms to get it to a circular shape. You want to roll it very well and seal every crack. Otherwise, the roll will open up during frying. Repeat the process until you finish molding the entire dough. Now pay attention to the thickness of the dough. You don't want it too thick because you don't want to eat too much flour. The thinner the better, but not too thin either. Egg roll requires deep frying. I'm using canola. Vegetable oil is good too. Check if the oil is ready for frying by dropping some little rolls in it. If it's ready, it will sizzle as in this video. Put the egg rolls in the oil and lower the heat to moderate. If the heat is too high, your egg rolls will not cook properly. The outside will cook, the inside will be raw. You don't want it. Because you have enough oil and you're using moderate heat, the egg rolls will fry evenly, so you don't even need frequent stirring. The egg rolls are ready when they are golden brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Put them in a tray lined with paper towel to drain any excess oil. By the way, did you notice that I have some smaller ones without eggs? Those are called burns. The delicious spicy egg rolls are ready. If you try this recipe, let me know how yours turned out, please. As usual, I'm eating a little bit on your behalf. Thanks for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.